Picture this, you wake up from a good night of sleep and check Discord. You open up a server and then you see that all channels and roles of your server are deleted. Not only that, you also don't have any backup of that server. If that sounds like you, then this bot might help. But first, what just happened? This is called a nuke, and this probably happened because someone added a destructive bot on your server. So then, how to actually restore a nuke server with this bot? Firstly, you have to add the bot to the nuke server. It doesn't actually matter when you add the Discord bot, but for this example I will be adding this bot after the nuke happens. So here's a fully fresh Discord server and I'll nuke it now. Note that this nuke bot is only for this video purpose and will be deleted after recording. Anyways, here we can see the bot has deleted all the channels and roles and also added some channels and spamming messages in those chats. So here comes the removing process. First things first, you should obviously remove the bot which is sending message and adding all those channels. Then add the golden bot into your server. You can get the invite link from my description. So the first thing which we are going to do is to purge all channels. So go to any channel and type denukify purge all channels. After you send it, it will give a confirmation, and after confirming, it will do all its work. Remember that to use any of the command, you need to be the owner of the server or else this won't work. So now we have to copy the user ID of the bot which deleted all those channels. But first you have to enable developer mode if you don't already have that. We can easily enable that by going into our user settings. Then at the bottom we can see the advanced tab. You will press on that and then you can enable developer mode. After you have enabled developer mode, you can then go to your server settings and click on the audit log and find the bot which has deleted all the channels by scrolling down a bit. Afterwards, if you have located the bot, right click on it and copy the ID. Next, exit the server settings and then use the command denukify restore all channels. Two options will appear. First one is user ID and the limit of channels. On the user ID, paste the bot ID which you have copied, and on the limit section put 100. This is the maximum limit of the bot, but if you have more than 100 channels by any chance, then you can join the support server for further help. Then after sending the command, you have to confirm, and after that it will bring back every channel that we had before. We will also use the command restore roles and paste the user ID and limit. Then after confirming, your server is fully backed up. But that being said, there are also some drawbacks for this backup. As you can see, the channels are not put in the designated category and they don't have the message history. But it is obviously better than starting from the scratch. So that is how you can restore a new Discord server, and keep in mind that this bot is still in development. Therefore we may see some changes on the commands. So stay subscribed and like this video to show some support. And if you want to stay safe from raids, you can check this video out.